Hello friends, my name is Anjali Patel. In this video, we will discuss about lead code question number 209, that is minimum size subarray sum. Here is an array of positive integer as nums and a positive integer named as target. We have to return the minimal length of the subarray whose sum is greater than or equal to the target. Okay, and if there is no such subarray found, this is the corner case, then we have to return simply 0. Let's see the example. So here target is 7. Target is 7 and array is this one. So if we take the whole array, then what will be the sum? 2, 3, 5 plus 1, 6 and 2, 4, 6 plus 3, 9. It will be 15. Okay. It is greater than target, yes, it may be possible answer, but we have to we print the length of the minimal substring. So if we see this portion 4 and 3, that is sum up to target. Okay, and our condition is that sum should be greater than the target or equal to the target. So here the sum is equal to the target and the length of the substring is 2 only. So our output will be 2. Let's see the approach, how we will do this thing. Okay, so we will start from here and go up to the length of the array. So let's say this is the left pointer, this green one is the right pointer. Okay, and both initially are as at 0. Okay, and then we will keep increasing the right pointer. So increase the right pointer. Now if I take the sum from the left pointer to right pointer, the sum is 7. That is 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, and then we will increase the right pointer. Then now sum from the left pointer to right pointer is, this is 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, still it is less. And now we come here. So now 2, 3, 1, 2. So the sum is 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it may be the possible answer. So if at this state the current sum is this is 8 and the length is 4. Okay, now as the current sum has become equal or greater than target, now we will keep moving the left pointer. So if we move it, so now this 2 is out of our window, that is between left pointer and right pointer. So now we will subtract the 2. So now the current sum will be 3 plus 3, 6. Okay, so current sum will be 6. And but this does not satisfy the condition as it is less than the target. So we again increase the right pointer. Okay, it will be 4. So 6 plus 4, it will be 10. Okay, it will be 10. Now if we see that the length is 4 from left pointer to right pointer, the length or the size of the window is 4 and sum is 10. It may be also the possible answer, but there is no need to update as the previous subarray length was also 4. Okay, now what I do now, as the target the current sum is greater than target, so what we can do now, move to the left pointer. Now 3 is out of this, so we will subtract 3. Now the sum will be 7. Okay, so the current sum from the left pointer to right pointer window is 7 and the length and the size of this substring is 3. So we will update this. Okay, and current sum is 7. Okay, so now possible answer is 3. Okay, as the target sum is 7. Okay, now we will increase the left pointer. Now 1 will be out of it. So the current sum from the left pointer to right pointer window is 6. Okay. As now the current sum is less than target, we will increase the right pointer. Okay. So now the sum will be 6 plus 3, 9. Okay. So sum is 9 and the window is 3. Okay. So no need to change, as earlier the length was 3. Now, as the current sum is greater than target, I will increase the left pointer. So increase the left pointer, and from current sum I will do this -2. Okay, so it will again become 7. And now this time the smallest size of the substring is 2. Okay. Now this is at 7. Okay. So that the current sum is equal to target. So I will increase the left pointer. So when I will increase the left pointer, now sum is only 3. Okay, which is less than target. So I have to increase the right pointer. But we can see that we have hit the last index of the array. So we can't go forward. So here our loop will be end and our answer will be true. Now let's see the pseudocode. Okay, so what the pseudocode says? First of all, initialize the answer as int max. Int max means let int max is the size of the subarray for our answer. And initialize left and right pointer both at 0, and sum also initialize at 0. What will be the num size of the given array, and we will keep increasing the r pointer or the right pointer up to when it hit to the last index of the array. Okay, and when I increase the right pointer, I will add the num's r pointer value to the sum. And in the case our sum is equal to or greater than target, and as well as left pointer is left of the right pointer, means that value is less than right pointer, we will keep moving the left pointer as I was doing here. When I was moving left pointer, I was subtracting this value. Let's say left pointer was here, so 2 was included in the sum. When left pointer go here, then 2 has been subtracted from the current sum. Okay, so we will decrease the value of that left pointer nums, means the nums left pointer, I will decrease that value, and I will update the answer like this: minimum of answer and r pointer minus left pointer L pointer plus 1, and I will increase the L pointer, and I am keep increasing the right pointer, and then return the answer. If int max answer is int max, that means I haven't found the desired substring. In that case, according to the question, I will return 0. Otherwise, I will return the answer which I have get. Okay, so I hope the pseudo code is clear to all of you. Now let's code it. Okay, so now let's write the code. Int answer equal to int max. Initializing the left pointer at 0, initializing the right pointer also at 0, initializing the sum. So also keep declaring the variable type. Okay, and initializing the sum, or I can say current sum edge 0. Okay, now find out the size of the nums. Int n equal to nums dot size. And then while r pointer is less than n, and keep increasing the r pointer. So r pointer plus plus. Okay. And what we will do, we will include the value of the nums for the index r pointer as nums of r pointer, and it is current sum. So I will write current sum plus equal to nums of r pointer. Okay. And if the current sum have become equal to target or greater to target, and we will also keep checking a condition that left pointer is less than right pointer. So I will write this condition. While these conditions are true, so current sum is less or greater than equal to target, and L pointer is less than or equal to R pointer. What I will do, I will simply from the current sum, I will do the minus the value at the L pointer index in the nums. So nums L pointer enter and update the answer as min of the answer and R pointer minus L pointer plus 1. Okay, and then increase the left pointer as L pointer plus plus. Okay, now we will come out of the loop and return the answer. If answer has been remained int max, that means I haven't got the required sub array. So the length has been remained int max. In that case, I will return the 0. Otherwise, I have got the required sub array. Then I will return the length of that sub array. Okay. And now if I run it, so it is taking some time. And here I have forwarded the semicolon. Okay, now let's run it again. And it has been accepted. Now submit it. Okay, it has been submitted. Now, if I see the time complexity and space complexity for it. So what will be the time complexity? It will be O of n. How? That in this while loop, or if this is array, one time left pointer is traversing it and one point right pointer is traversing it. So it will be one for the n time for left pointer and time for right pointer. Then it will be 2n, and in the pivot time complexity, I will write O of n. For the space complexity, there will be some space required for the sum, storing the sum, and some space will be required for the storing the answer. So these two spaces will be required, which will be constant. So we can write the space complexity as 1. So I hope all of you have understood this question. Thank you.